Hurricane Melissa, death toll now at 7. Good evening and welcome to this special edition of Primetime News. A special welcome to our viewers on TVJ International in the Cayman Islands and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Janella Precious. There's also business and sports in this newscast, but Romain is here with a preview of the weather report and forecast. Romain?
Thanks, Jelena. Now, over the next few days, we are still in October, so we're still expected to be under the influence of those afternoon showers, and thunderstorms may pose a challenge for the cleanup, but we are expecting isolated activity across the island, not so much widespread.
Thank you so much, Romain. In our feedback question this evening, we're asking how has Hurricane Melissa impacted or affected you or your community? You can share comments online, facebook.com/televisionjamaica and on X at TVJ News Center. Now stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.